Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to a quick tutorial where I show you how to create these amazing open counters. I'm going to put that in quotes, open counters, as you see right here in this vanity that I created. Now, I cannot take credit for this one. I did learn this from my friend, Mamo Papaguy. I will put her name right over here for you to go follow her on the gallery. She's an amazing builder. She did this for one of my Furnish Me challenges and my mind exploded. In fact, I've known about this for a few months. I can't believe it's taken me this long to make a tutorial, but here you go. It is super quick, super simple, super easy. You can use any pack that you want. All you have to do is enable BB.move objects on, and then the little trick, the little culprit down here is a dishwasher. That is all. We have our counters placed here. We took a dishwasher, placed it in the middle, and then we're going to click on it, use Control and the left bracket key, or maybe just the bracket key. You don't even need the Control. I don't know. I hold Control all the time. Left bracket key to size that little sucker down, and then you hide it with whatever you want. So in this instance, I hid it with a little ottoman. Now, it's not technically functional, I don't think, but there are other ways that you can hide it. They also work in kitchens, laundry room. So let me show you a few more quick ways that you can do this. Now, obviously this is styled for a vanity, but let's say you had a kitchen instead, or actually let's do a hamper first, right? And again, if you use move objects a lot and you're used to creating things that look aesthetically pleasing, but maybe aren't fully functional, I'm sure you guys have little tips and tricks to make it work. But if we just take this cute little hamper and put it right there, it covers it, and maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. You know how The Sims is. Sometimes you have to move it 1/4 of a centimeter for it to function or not. And then this also works really cute in kitchens. You could hide the little dishwasher with literally anything. You can use a trash can like so. You can use clutter. We have little baskets and all sorts of cute, adorable items where you can create your open counters. This also looks really cool in like cluttered houses where maybe you had, let me see, maybe you had like a bunch of clutter around the house and you wanted to hide pots and pans underneath there. You could put paper towels, you could put cleaning supplies. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There you go, your nice little cluttered under the counter area. I'm sure you guys can get super creative. You don't even need the side counters. Those are just there for aesthetics. So you can create floating shelves. I mean, look how stinking cute that is. And if you like these type of tutorials and you want to learn more cool things that you could do in The Sims, I have both of my playlists linked in the description. The first one is for basic building tutorials for brand new people or people that want to brush up on their skills. That literally teaches you everything from how to use the Sims interface for build mode to how to make a house that's not a plain box, etc., etc. And then the more advanced series shows you cool things like this, how to create open doors, open windows, all sorts of other fun stuff. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.